Hello everyone, I'm April, and on this episode of Make in a Day, we are going to be making a cotton burp cloth for all of those quarantine babies that are on the way. "2020, to put it mildly, was a heck of a year. Yeah, it was. A bright spot for many folks is they're now welcoming a baby into their family. So today I want to show you an easy crochet burp cloth that you can give as a gift like I'll be doing, or you can keep for your own baby or yourself. I don't know. It makes a great dishcloth too, so you go ahead now. We will be working with cotton yarn today, and that's because it is durable, absorbent, and it gets softer over time. For those reasons, I cannot recommend any other type of yarn for this project. Cotton yarn only. Before we get started, if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on that notification button. It's really helpful to know that there are people out there who actually watch my videos and are interested in the kinds of projects that I come up with and want to share with you. It would really help me out. Okie dokie, here we go. Here's what you'll need to make this cotton burp cloth. I chose Lily's Sugar and Cream cotton yarn in colors Buttercream, Soft White, and Country Yellow. You don't actually need this much soft white, that was just all I had. You also will need a 5mm crochet hook, scissors, and a darning needle. Start off with a slip knot, then chain 51. In your second chain from your hook, insert your hook and single crochet. Then single crochet in each chain across until the end. When you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Insert your hook into the first stitch and single crochet. Then single crochet across. When you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Repeat this until you have 20 rows in Buttercream. When you complete your last stitch, pull up a length of about 6 inches and cut your yarn. Then weave in the ends. To attach the next color, insert your hook into the first stitch of the last row you made. Lay the new color yarn over your hook and pull through. Chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Follow the same pattern as you did with the Buttercream yarn. Once you reach 20 rows of soft white, cut your yarn and weave in the ends. Then do another 20 rows of Buttercream, followed by another 20 rows of soft white. To make a star applique, make a magic circle by wrapping the yarn around your hand to form an X. Insert your hook under the top right part of the X and use the hook to pull the left side under the right. Twist your hook to form a loop, grab the left side of the X again, and pull through the loop on your hook. Then chain 3 and work 8 double crochet into the circle. Once you made your double crochet, pull the tail to tighten the circle. Attach the end to the beginning chain with a slip stitch. To start the next round, chain 2, then in the space below, work a double crochet, treble crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet. This will be one of the points of our star. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Then create another point by working a half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the pattern of slip stitch and point clusters around. Slip stitch in the last stitch, cut your yarn, and weave in the ends. Make 3 of these appliques. To sew on your appliques, use the same color yarn and thread your darning needle. Try to go through the burp cloth underneath, not between the stitches. Work in small, even sewing stitches and go around the star. I chose to stitch around it twice to make it secure. Once attached, weave in your ends, taking care not to poke through to the front side. And here's a quick way to fold and present your gift. I like to fold in thirds, being sure to leave some of the design displayed. Then just tie it with a ribbon and you're done. Thanks for joining me today, everyone. If you wind up making this project, please consider tagging me on Instagram. I would be thrilled to pieces to see what you make. Until we meet again, please stay safe, wear a mask, and happy 2021. Let's make it a good one, yeah? Okay, let's try real hard. You know, babies are like real cute and all, but you know what I love the most? Being a cool aunt. It's water. That's refreshing.